Hey everyone, welcome to Way2Ask. In this session, let's explore two ways to meet with others, duo mode and team mode. Both start the same way. From your dashboard, click Start Meeting, pick your template, and choose your mode on the left. You'll have two options: Start a meeting, which creates a session and generates a unique code to share, or Join a meeting, where you enter a code someone shared with you. Then hit Start Meeting and hide the chat window first if you need to. Let's start with Duo mode. It's built for interviews, so you'll select the Interview template. It connects you and one partner in a shared session where both can see the live transcript and talk through chat and audio. The key part? Only the host gets the AI assistance and shortcuts. The partner who joins can follow along, but can't trigger the AI. Those shortcuts are simple. Press F2 or the spacebar for an instant answer. F5 gives a more detailed response, F6 something practical or technical, and F1 or caps lock answers based on what's on your screen. Just remember, Duo mode is for the interview template only. Team mode works the same way, but it's built for groups and works across all templates. One person starts the meeting and shares the code. Everyone else joins, and the whole team sees the live transcript and chats together. And just like Duo, only the host gets the AI features and those same shortcuts. In both modes, Way2Ask understands your voice and your screen, so there's no need to type. It supports over 50 languages for voice recognition, with AI responses currently in English. Whether it's a one-on-one interview or a full team meeting, Way2Ask helps you respond quickly, stay confident, and collaborate better. That's Duo and Team mode.